Fairfax Connector lives its mission of moving people, not just buses, and serves as the backbone of Fairfax County's quality of life. And whereas we figured this out very well, now for
Be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents, does hereby recognize and commends Fairfax Connector on its 40th anniversary, honoring its 4 decades of dedicated service, community impact, and commitment to connecting people across our county and region. And of course, signed by myself, Chairman of the Board of Supervisors, and Supervisor Jimmy Bierman, Supervisor of the Drainsville District. On behalf of the entire Board of Supervisors, congratulations.
This is a momentous occasion, one that we're truly celebrating, and we're so happy to be here to celebrate 40 years of excellence in transportation service in Fairfax County. After 35 years in public transit, over 12 of which I spent here, I'm personally proud. And we also want to recognize and honor our best of the best employees here, our maintenance technicians, our bus operators, supervisors, and other staff that really make a difference in Fairfax County.
The vision behind it was to connect people, and 40 years later, Connector is connecting more people than ever. And so, what started as, a modest, small beginning to, bus transit in Fairfax County has turned into something that people by the thousands rely on every single day.
thank you for all that you do for our region. Thank you for making us more connected. Thank you for alleviating traffic. And we really appreciate you and all that you
We
do.
want to thank all of our funding partners, and particularly the Board of Supervisors, the County Executive, and County's top leadership for supporting the Connector over the last 40 years. You can visit us at www.fairfaxconnector.com or call our call center at 703-339-7200 or reach out to any of the staff that is here today.